William Raveis coaching is in the core of everything we do, and we're here with the top coach in the world, Tom Ferry.
The world.
Talking about prospecting, the importance of prospecting. Tom, give us shed a little light on.
Look, prospecting is like oxygen, right? If you don't have oxygen, you die. In this business, if you don't talk to people every day, you die, metaphorically, in your business. So I'm not asking you to cold call. I'm asking you to think about the numbers and the science of your business. You don't have to guess at this. You take your goal for transactions, 20 transactions. What we know after tracking and measuring for decades is the average agent talks to 50 people to make one sale. So if I want to do 20 deals, I got to talk to 1,000 people in a year. Now you don't have to do 1,000 like on Thursday. You actually divide it over 10 months because no agent actually works 12 months, right? Especially around here, summertime, things get nice. We want to take a little time off. So you got to talk to 100 people a month. And the way I look at it is half those people should be people that I already know, right? Staying in relationship, delivering value, helping people understand what's going on in real estate, what is different from around the country versus my local marketplace, keeping people informed. You know what that's called? Prospecting. And then the balance of it, you can do whatever you want. You could stand in Starbucks and just open up your laptop and have William Raveis on it, and someone's gonna walk up and go, hey man, you're in real estate? How's the market? What's going on? Because your brand is that strong, it's that significant. That means they're prospecting you. So whether it's an open house, dealing with an internet lead, texting someone because it's 2020, right? Or making phone calls, you've gotta do it every day, right? I say, it's brushing your teeth, it's good hygiene, it's talking to people. Like, if you don't do those things, you have a stinky real estate business. Does that make sense? So that's my thoughts.
Good analogy.
Thanks, Tom.
All right.